It's been an honour to receive the Hearts of the Arts Award. On behalf of Criccieth Town Council, here's a presentation to show what the local community did during the lockdown months. So Criccieth is a beautiful town on the North Wales coast with a population of about 1,800, which greatly increases during the summer months with the visitors. This is a snapshot of some of the local scenery that are painted during those lockdown months. And this is a cross-section of the work that was done during that time. I believe that the community projects did help promote a sense of belongingness. They did improve health and well-being and gave people a sense of purpose and also enhanced social support. First up, we had a map project which was inspired as an aerial view of the town by the starling murmurations that happen dusk and dawn, so the starlings on the top right there. We have 3 circular walks presented on the map. Firstly, a creative walk, and then a circular walk following a history trail, and also a sail trail. We developed a pamphlet to go with a map. The map is located in 8 locations around town, and the pamphlet can be obtained from little shops, local shops and B&Bs. And on the pamphlet there are additional information to do with the history points, which were collected and gathered by Robert Cadwallader, the local historian, and then little illustrations to go with them. And we worked with Richard Wilcox, Pam Mayo, Catherine Jones and myself to put this together. So we're very proud of the result and we've had positive feedback, and I do believe it's also an educational resource to show people the rich culture and heritage we have here in Criccieth. We then had a project that we named Enfys Hir, or Hir's Rainbow, and it's situated up in Tinrhos. So Hir Emery was 7 years old at the time, and he decided that would be a lovely idea to thank the NHS and key workers for their hard work by placing a note on the floor to ask people to paint, decorate and put some messages on pebbles. And these coloured pebbles grew in popularity, the idea, and by the end we had a colourful rainbow, which we thought it would be a wonderful tribute to the NHS workers. So Clive Lloyd and Sons, Adra and Cyngor Tre Criccieth, the town council, put the bridge in place here, and the end result is absolutely stunning. And then we had a community group named Criccieth in Bloom, who have been going for many years and keep Criccieth absolutely beautiful, making sure that the town was looking at its best. And we've got absolutely stunning displays that were kept going during those months last year. Criccieth in Bloom were involved with creating this brand new installation piece by the castle, which is absolutely gorgeous. Now then, these were done for Caicrwn Community Project. This was a venture that then they asked for history boards, which I created on the bottom there, and the 4-season display board there that are placed in the nature garden next to Caicrwn. And this absolutely stunning creation, the gown of poppies, we put a request out for knitted or crocheted poppies, found a recycled net that had washed up on Criccieth Beach, and we had an overwhelming response with around 5,000 poppies donated. And the gown of poppies was on display for Remembrance Sunday and also framed the doorway there to the Memorial Hall, and will be on display this summer for the Memorial Hall centenary. And finally, the friendship benches. These were restored and painted by Coleg Meirion Dwyfor students and members of the local community. They came up with stories and researched local history, legends and song, and also place names, and decorated both the friendship benches that we have, one on the seafront on Marine Terrace and one on the Mice. And on the back of these benches there is a QR code linked to People's Collection Wales website, where there's a growing number of stories linked to the local area. And these are the ongoing projects, many in the pipeline, and very exciting to be a part of this wonderful community, and very proud of the outcomes.